Florida Trailblazer here, checking in on the Florida Trail, and I'm in Charles H. Bronson State Forest. Right now I'm crossing over this fence onto this trail connector from the Florida Trail. It should take me on this white trail. This way takes you out to Seminole Ranch Wildlife Management Area, and the White Trail, which is what I believe I will be going on here, is the River Trail. And also the Orlando Wetlands is near here. This is a very beautiful area to hike. So, just a glimpse of this area here in Charles H. Bronson State Forest here along the Florida Trail.